How to set event reminders in 1xBet. First of all, open the 1xBet app and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you are on the main screen, tap the menu icon. Then select the notification section. Next, look for a reminder icon next to each game or event. This icon usually appears as a small bell. Tap on it to open the reminder settings for that specific match. Here you will find toggle options like match start reminders for 1 minute before, 5 minutes before, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or even 1 hour before. You can also enable score reminders if you want updates during the game. Choose the type of reminder you prefer and toggle the switch to turn it on. You can repeat this for any other games you are interested in. Then, go back to the notifications tab in the menu. You will see a list of all the events you have set reminders for, so you can keep track and manage them easily. And that's it. Now you know how to set event reminders in 1xBet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.